Well, good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel on this fine sunny day. It's still a bit chilly. It's about 4 or 5 degrees at the moment, but it's going to be warm a bit later on, hopefully. Anyway, while I've got your attention, as you've seen on Blackpool Bells video, today is March the 1st, and I'm doing the 10,000 steps a day challenge cancer research. This will be my 3rd year doing this challenge. Over the years, I've raised about £600 for cancer research over the years. Anyway, set my target on £150. I've already got £20. Thanks for everyone who's donated that. Really appreciate that, folks. So yeah, basically it's 10,000 steps per day, which equates to about 5 miles. So I'll put a link on the description of this video to my Just Giving page on Facebook. That's all I can say about it, really. I shan't harp on too much about it on every video I make throughout the whole month, but just like to bore you all. But I will keep you updates.
He does, he bores for England.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll give you regular updates, folks, on my challenges, and on my donation page on Facebook there'll be pictures of my travels, mostly being Blackpool. Yeah, so please, even just £1, as Tesco say, every little helps, doesn't it? You know. So sorry.
Every little helps.
No, that's Tesco's.
That's what he said.
As the prices, take your bum.
Oh.
Anyway.
Don't care, they're all expensive.
Yeah, so I'm walking along promenade at the moment, folks, North Shore, heading down to, actually heading up to the Demolition site, so I'm going to do some videos on that today. There'll be loads of videos coming up on my walks.
Demolition.
So, yeah, getting on with the police courts very well now.
We were watching AT Media's video yesterday and it's got some really good footage.
Yeah, it's great footage there.
Yeah.
AT Media, I'll check him out. Anyway, it's enough waffle now. Let's get on with some serious filming. It's a really good excuse actually to come out and do some filming for you too. There'll be loads of walks. There'll be up to Bispham. There'll be up to Central, up to South Pier.
Do that. Walk to Cleveland.
Maybe walk to Cleveland.
Yeah. Back,
Yeah, he ties it in at the moment, so I'll just turn the camera and show you in a minute, folks. Yeah, as you can see, folks, the tide is in. So, the sun is out, but still a bit chilly, as I said. Walking towards North Shore up there. Towards Bispham and Fleetwood Way, yep. South, way end up the South Pier, but it won't be today. One of my walks, folks, will be up the South Pier. That's one of my challenges, that is. It's about a 3-hour walk there and back. That's a great challenge, that one. Ah. Yeah, I'll be doing that one on my own. That's about 20,000 step, that one. I like to challenge myself. Although it's 10,000 a day, I still like to do more, you know. Yeah, we're going up to, I think we're going to walk in the town next, or something like that, I think. Then we're going up to Central. See what it takes us, anyway. End up with Demolition, have a look at that anyway, folks. The Odyssey is still up, folks. I would have thought they took them down by now. Don't know if you can see, because I'm shooting in right into the sun here. There's a lot of gaps in the gubbins of it on the top there. Strange. Probably one of the other lasers or the speakers or something up there, I think. Maybe they're going to leave them up for Easter. They did a couple of years ago. Or was it last year? I'm not quite sure. I can't remember now. I know they did leave them up for Easter one year. Yeah. Well, the tide's out, going out now. I was in when I started filming. Someone walked in with shorts on. That'd make a nice picture. Uphill on the beach now. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, folks, it's very busy today. On the 1st of March. Beautiful day today. It's a lot warmer than it was earlier on. Oh. I got out of bed at 6 o'clock this morning to get my daughter up for bloody work. So I know the little bugger won't get up. Will you, Cadence? If I don't get her up, she won't get up for work and be late. Yeah, I got out of bed at 6 AM this morning. It was like 0 degrees. I was absolutely freezing. Oh yeah. I tell you what, it's so good to see people about after a very cold, long winter. This is they call a meteorological start of spring today, 1st of March. I always call it, well, it's like June, like summer always come 1st of June. You know, so I always call it summer, start of summer. Although it's not to the 21st, which is the shortest day, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, all good. And makes you feel nice. Makes you feel good, the sunshine. And nice to see all the people about. If this bit of film is a bit shaky, folks, I do apologise because I just broke my my stabiliser. Snapped in half. So now I've got to get a new one. Alright folks, we're waiting up, right, walking up to the demolition site now to see what's going on. Hey folks, I was hoping to get some demolition action today, but looks like they might be on a dinner break again. Not that they can't have a dinner break, but every time I come up here they seem to be on a dinner break. But been busy this morning, so they've done quite a bit, haven't they? My God, look at all that twisted metal there, look. Oh wow. Look how much they've done there, folks. We get up on the bridge, take a closer look, as Backmaster would say. Anyway, we come up on the bridge to see if we get a better view. You got a central car park, the new one there, as you all know by now. It's a beautiful day, sun is out. Got Blackpool Tower above us, just ahead. Got Blackpool Tower just there. Come up here lunchtime again, so I don't get any action today. Demolition. There'll be other days, plenty of days, friend folks, plenty of days to catch some action. Over yonder we've got Donna's Dream House. Only a couple of the old illuminations on there. And of course you got going under the bridge over to Central Drive over there. Then we've got the big wheel. The piers are open today. Yeah, I just realised being a Saturday, I don't know if there'd be work the weekend. Yeah. There'll be plenty of other days, as I just said earlier. As you can see, they've chomped a lot out of there, haven't they? Look at that. I can still picture that. My goodness. You see the yellow support pillars. So when they hit those, that is going to come crashing down. I'd love to be here to film that. Just been in the right place, right time really at the end of the day. Let's go to the police station there. That's going to be the pièce de résistance. I don't know if I said that right, as they say in France. Yeah. I forgot for a minute of Saturday. Anyway, it's an update for you on the demolition there going on at Bonnie Street. So a quick walk down here, folks. See if we can see anything. Blackpool Tower, of course. It's certainly warmed up since it was since yesterday. Oh, someone's got a smoke fire going. Bit naughty in the daytime. Oh, it stinks. Anyway, back down to ground level we go. Not much happening today, unfortunately. Being a Saturday, completely forgot about that. Anyway, folks, I'll leave the vlog here. Unfortunately, being a Saturday, there weren't much going on at Demolition. I come back during the week, I thought it was the weekend. Anyway, further note to start the video. It's my first day of the 10,000 steps a day challenge. Yeah, anyway, I'll wrap the vlog up here now. So, I'm going to leave it here. Hope you enjoyed my little walk round. I mean, there weren't much of filming some. Sorry about the demolition, there weren't much going on being a Saturday, completely forgot it was a weekend. Yeah, it's been very busy here. Further to my little opening of the video about my charity walk. Start of the day, 1st of March. I'm walking 10,000 steps a day for charity. That's something like 5 miles a day for the whole of March. I'll put a link in the description of the my Just Given page, donation page anyway. I hope you can help me out. It's a great cause, cancer research. Please donate as much as you can. Every penny helps. There's always just somebody somewhere who knows somebody who's been touched by this terrible disease at some point in their lives. I've lost many friends and family over it through cancer, so it's a great cause. Anyway, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and upload more videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Had some lovely people today. It's been a great day. Thank you very much Bye for now. Bye.